Hi, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to get started with Microsoft Teams from the teacher perspective. So once you're on your laptop and you open up Microsoft Teams, the first thing you're going to want to do is create a team. In the lower left corner of the screen down here you can see there's a button that says join or create a team. So you're going to click create a team. You're going to get this screen and then click create team. Now there's various types of teams you can create, but for the purpose of using it with your students, you're going to want a class. So you're going to click there. Then you're going to basically just type in, follow the directions on the screen, and you're going to create a name for your class, and you'll want one team per class period, so include the class period, and then you can put a description if you want. This I'll just do as a test team, and then I'm going to click next. It's going to create the team, and then at this point you could put in students' names, but there's a much easier way to do that, so you can click skip. Now one thing that's nice is if you have a collaborating teacher, say at the cross campus, or if you have someone that you want to include on your team, then you can put their names in here, but for now we're going to skip that. So once you've created the team, now you've got it going. So now you have to add your students to the team. So these are all my teams over here at the left, and this is the test team that I just created for the purpose of the screencast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these three little dots to the right hand side of the team, okay, and then I'm going to click on manage team. Now from the manage team you're going to have screen, you're going to have 4 tabs at the top up here, and these are going to be ways that you can change your settings and do a lot of extra stuff. So right now it's just me and the team, and I'm the owner, and down here is where it would list all of the students that were in your team. So what you're going to do to get your students in there is you're going to click on the settings tab, and then you're going to come down here to the team code. It says here, share this code so people can join the team directly. You won't get join requests. That's key, because that gets really annoying. So you're just going to click here, click generate, and then it's just going to create, just sort of a generic little code. It's going to stay the same, so it won't change. You can write it down. You can always come back here and look at it again. And you can copy and paste it and provide it to your students, put it on the board, however you want. So all you have to do is, I'm just going to copy it, just copy the team code, and then you write that on the board, and then what the students would do then is they would open Teams, same screen as we have, except for when they click on join or create a team, instead of creating a team, they would join the team, and they would paste, or they would type in the code in join a team with a code. They simply click join team, and then they'll be added to that group. As I said, you can go back to the 3 dots next to your team, click manage team, and then as your students join the team, you'll see them listed down here. Thank you.